What is that? What is going on there? Are they drones, helicopters? They're all in a row. And they're gone. Wow. That was weird, dude. Where is that entire line of whatever it was? Wow, they just disappeared, man. Over here we have a helicopter. That's obviously a helicopter. But there was a straight line of something in the sky that I have my camera with me, so I snagged it, but it was wild. They flew like into that cloud right there and disappeared. What? Oh wait, I see one straggler, maybe. Still headed towards that cloud. Let's see what this guy does. And disappeared as well. Wow. Bizarre. What happened there?